Learn Chinese with Caroline. How to say I like you in Chinese. We say 我喜欢你，我喜欢你，我喜欢你。How to say I like you so much in Chinese? We say 我好喜欢你，我好喜欢你，我好喜欢你。And then, how to say I miss you in Chinese? We say 我想你，我想你，我想你。And then, do you miss me in Chinese? We say 你想我吗？你想我吗？你想我吗？ I miss you so much. In Chinese, we say 我好想你，我好想你，我好想你。